Welcome to Polonium Technologies. In this video, you'll learn how the A4988 Stepper Motor Driver works, including its key features, pinout, input and output connections, and real-world applications. Whether you're designing a 3D printer, CNC machine, or robotic project, this guide will help you understand the A4988 like a pro. What is the A4988? The A4988 is a compact bipolar stepper motor driver developed by Allegro Microsystems. It can operate from 8 to 35 volts and deliver up to 2 amps per coil with proper cooling. The driver uses microstepping control to achieve smooth and precise movement, making it one of the most commonly used drivers in robotics and motion control projects. Let's talk about the key features that make the A4988 so popular. Supports up to 1/16 microstepping for smoother operation. Adjustable current limiting with a built-in potentiometer. Thermal shutdown and short-circuit protection for reliability. Simple step and direction control signals for easy interfacing. Compact size suitable for breadboard or shield mounting. Now let's discuss the pin configuration of the A4988 module. It includes control pins, motor outputs, and power pins. Understanding these groups helps you connect it safely and efficiently. Input pins. These pins receive signals from your microcontroller, such as Arduino or Raspberry Pi. Step controls the number of steps the motor takes. Direction determines the rotation direction of the motor. Enable activates or disables the motor driver. MS1, MS2, MS3. Select microstepping mode, full, half, quarter, eighth, or 16th step. Reset and sleep are used for resetting or enabling power-saving mode. Output pins. These pins connect to your motor coils and power supply. VMOT connects to the motor power supply, 8 to 35 volts. GND, ground connection shared by logic and motor power. 2A, 2B, 1A, 1B connect to the two coils of the stepper motor. The A4988 energizes these outputs in sequence to create precise step movements. Connecting A4988 with Arduino. The A4988 can be easily connected with an Arduino for motion control projects. Here's a simple connection guide. Step to Arduino digital pin 2. Dir to Arduino digital pin 3. Enable to Arduino digital pin 8, optional. VMOT to external 12-volt power supply. GND to common ground with Arduino. 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B connect to stepper motor coils. This setup lets you control stepper motor movement directly through simple Arduino code using the step and direction pins. Applications of A4988. The A4988 is widely used in 3D printers for access control, CNC machines for tool movement, robotic arms for joint positioning, DIY automation and motion control systems. Compared to the DRV8825, the A4988 supports slightly lower current and microstepping, but it's cheaper, easier to configure, and perfect for basic to mid-level motion control projects. So that's the complete overview of the A4988 Stepper Motor Driver, its features, pins, and practical applications. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Polonium Technologies for more tutorials on electronics, drivers, and automation components.